Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. A quick update from the Keep On Wrenching shop. I know it's been a little while since we dove into the vintage bikes. I've been a little preoccupied, you could say, by the 2023 Scram 411, but rest assured, progress is still being made on the vintage bikes. The current project is the 1968 Honda CB350 Super Sport, and we've got work going on all over the place. I am cleaning diligently. This motor will be tearing into the right and left sides of it. This one will not require a splitting of cases. Everything looks really good. Just a lot of work to go. I've got all the parts and am in really good shape on getting that motor put back together. It really just comes down to a bunch of time. All right, over here, I'm really starting to focus on the front forks and the front fenders and all of those different aspects here on this. I'm kind of bummed, but I am going to need to go to a little bit newer style front fender. I cannot find a reasonably priced, good shape fender. But I did do some comparisons, and this does look to be a very, very close match. I can show you side by sides kind of what that looked like here in just a little bit. But I do have a very, very worthy rear fender that is the correct setup for that 68 350. You can see here we've got some rust on some of these little parts here, but the great thing about having all of these bikes laying around and all these extra parts is that I do have things that are in really, really, really good shape. All right, what's in the bucket, you might ask? Well, I think today I'm going to kind of get going on these front sanctions. These are going to be polished aluminum. We're going to try to get them as good as we can. There are some very deep scratches involved in this. They're just degreasing right now. These things were pretty nasty. I'm not going to lie. These things were pretty grimy, pretty gross. I'm going to have to go and get some paint stripper onto these, get off this awful clear coat that you can see is really starting to, it's oxidized under there, and there's no way. You're going to waste so much sandpaper trying to sand that off, so I might as well use some paint stripper to get through all of that. This morning, I really just started doing inventory on what do I got as far as fenders, what do I got, as far as getting the front end rebuilt on this darn thing. I also do have the seat all squared away. You saw that in the big feature video, and that is looking pretty darn special up here on that. The tank is over on the shelf in the back there, and that is full of evaporust. That is getting, just getting treated, getting cleaned, so that's going to be ready to go. I'm really torn as to whether or not I should actually strip that paint off. It's not bad, but there are some imperfections, but part of me is just like, man, if it's in good shape, why not just leave it alone? Man, that seat came out perfect. The frame is ready to go. I'm really at rebuild stage at this point. Over on the other side here, we do have some work going into, into our wheels down below there. Already got started on the front hub. Was kind of working on a little before and after kind of a video where they're kind of scuzzy looking, and I've got some of those working out there. Not sure if I'll actually do a video on that or not, but I mean, we've polished so much stuff over the years. I'm not sure I really need to get into more of that. So, I mean, really, progress is being made, rest assured. And as I run across projects that we haven't covered on the channel before, I'll be sure to be making videos on some of those things, okay? So, yeah, stick around with the channel. It's not going to be all Scram content. I've gotten a couple comments from people being like, whoa, what, dude, you went modern? No, guys, we got so many bikes in the shop. We've got a CB160. We've got a Honda Dream. We've got another Super Hawk. We've got a CB100. I mean, what else do I have? I have another one, CB100, a Dream, 160. Those are the cool bikes. I got a couple other 350s to work through here as well. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update, man. We are working through things. I've got pretty much everything I'm going to need. I think the only thing I need for the 68 CB are some front and rear sprockets and a chain. and I'll be probably ordering that stuff here within probably this weekend. I'll probably get to that there. But yeah, progress is being made as things start to happen. I'll be sure to make videos about that. And then, yeah, I'll give you updates throughout the way. This is going to be a beautiful bike. Again, this frame was all sandblasted, powder coated. This does have the potential to be one of the best bikes yet out of the Keep On Wrenching garage. So with that, I'm going to cut this video off. We'll try to do a live stream here in the next week or so, and we'll go in depth on some stuff. But today, I really just want to work. But I didn't want to work and not give you a little bit of an update and a little bit of a reassurance that progress is still moving forward on the vintage bikes. I picked up the Scram just because I really liked it and I wanted something that I could just not feel bad about riding and trashing and having a good time with. That's about it. All right, everybody, look for more videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. It also helps to hit the alert bell. Also, don't forget, get your free sticker at keeponwrenching.com. And don't forget about the Facebook group, man. The Facebook group, the Keep On Wrenching community group, has grown now to 627 members. Tons of great conversations here and a lot of help is being distributed throughout the community. It's, oh, look at how nice those came out. That's the goal. We're going to get there on all these other parts. And again, keeponwrenching.com. Lots of new content has actually popped up into this thing. If you check out the build section, I've got a whole bunch of pages built out that walk through some of the different stories and photos and all the good stuff about some of my previous builds. So I hope you will go and check out all of that. I'm trying to tweak on that as time allows. All right, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what kind of projects or videos you're really looking for, and I'll do my best to dive into those. All right, everybody, have a great day. Keep on wrenching, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video or live stream.